In this question, it says that using BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, also known as Thales theorem, we have to prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the other side bisects the third side. So let's make a triangle first. Say I make a triangle. You can make any triangle. I made this triangle and say I named it as ABC as the name of the triangle. It says a line is drawn through the midpoint of one side. Let's say I took E being the midpoint of one side, and it says that this line drawn is parallel to the other side, right? Is parallel to the other side. That means we are given that this line being parallel to this line. This is given to us that these two lines are parallel. Then what we have to say, prove is that wherever it is intersecting the other line, that means AC or the other side, it will bisect it. That means, say, if it is point F, we have to prove that F is the midpoint of AC. In short, we have to prove AF is equal to CF. That's what we have to prove. So let's write down the information given. We are given here. We are given in this question that in triangle ABC, we have AE is equal to EB. Further, it is also given that EF is drawn parallel to BC. And what we need to prove here is that AF is equal to CF. But keep in mind, we have to apply BPT, right? Using BPT is what we have to prove. So the proof part says, start with the proof part. First, we will say that in triangle ABC, we have EF parallel to BC. So by BPT, what we can say that using BPT, that is AE over EB should be equal to AF upon FC. That's what the midpoint theorem says. Now check here. As you know, the length of these two sides are equal, AF and EB, right? EB and AE are equal, right? These two sides are equal. So their ratio will be 1. As you know, when two quantities are equal, their ratio is also 1. So I just cancel it. I wrote this as 1. What does it implies? That we can write AF upon FC as 1, right? 1 over 1. We can write this is equal to 1 over 1. And by cross multiplication, what we can say that AF is equal to FC. This is what we have to prove in this question.